Nasdaq, man. I've been talking about Nasdaq on this channel lately. Um, since last week, I've been making analysis, making sure that I post them before they happen. Technical analysis, making sure I post them before before everything happens. So since I started making Nasdaq videos on this channel, whatever I said was gonna happen actually happened on Nasdaq. So yeah, we back at it again. So this is what I'm just making, indicating the analysis we've been making, how we've been analyzing the chart from the previous days or weeks. So, however, we're still gonna dive deeper and see how are we expecting the market to rally up since we have been out of this resistance level there. So we have been seeing an inverse head and shoulder back the past weeks. Then we've been seeing an impulse move correction, which I indicated that after this correction, we should buy here and hold because we are expecting an impulse move to the upside down. So which actually happened, and before the market reached the level of this level here, I made a video indicating that there are higher chances of the market going up. Why? Because we have been trapped in this level in this area under under 13,361.78 resistance level for a month. It's like the whole of let me check. Yeah, we've been trapped at this level for a month. So now, since it was April, it was actually pretty clear that we are expecting the market there are higher chances of the market going up. It has provided structures, as we can see. Structures, we've seen these structures. It made Nasdaq always gives you clue through the market structures before it actually takes a direction. You can see we had an impulse move, which again the market descended down into this channel, correcting itself, but with higher moves, which actually, which was tradable. As you can see, here we had a head and shoulder under this channel. It was actually not that that choppy. It was tradable, and we traded it. So, but on the higher time frame, you can see it's clear that the structure was correction, and it was gaining orders to actually have the power to go up so that it can break this level here. And what I said on my previous video, after the market was at somewhere here, let me see, the market was somewhere was somewhere here. Sunday, somewhere here. Sunday, when I made a video, I indicated that if the market breaks this level, you should not expect any. I indicate that you should never expect any sales on this point. Leave the market. If you are expecting any sales, just just give yourself some break from the market and take some break, because we are not actually expecting any signs of sales here. It was actually clear. So now, after the market, Sunday, when I indicated that after a breakout of this trend, of this resistance level here, 13,133.78 level, never buy until you see a pullback on the 15 minutes chart. This is what I said. You can watch the previous video, you will see. I actually said that, and which actually happened. Let me highlight it here. This is the pullback I was talking about before it actually happened, and it happened. We had a pullback. After that, the market went up. So now this is an impulse move, right? And we are expecting some correction before we can actually rally up again. So this is what has been going on with Nasdaq for the so far. So what are we expecting? Previously, this was our psychological level. Since we are out of this level and it retested this level, turning it into support, now we are most definitely expecting the market to come hit our next resistance level. However, we might see some correction. Yeah, I think it's pretty advisable to, it's like, I think it's normal that we are expecting some correction, the market correcting itself before we can actually come to this point. This is what I'm expecting right now. I'm expecting some correction for the market to, yeah, some correction, until we reach this point, this area here. So after we reach this area, it is then that it's not known whether the market will come down or continue breaking out of that level. It is not clear. So, however, if I were to advise or give a signal on this, I wouldn't say anything, because the market it's like, take it as an example. It's like being in the middle of the ocean. It's like being in the middle of the ocean right here without a boat. So whoever enters on this type of a situation, I don't know, that person is, whoever enters the market on this type of a situation, that person just want to risk his capital, because it's like being in the middle of the ocean here, right? It's like it's like you left uh, your point here, heading for a destination. What's the next destination? Which is this destination? But along the way, you have to, take a breath and gain your power. It's like that. It's like, you know, sleep or something like that, which is actually happening right now. I'm not saying it's sleepy. I'm not saying the market sleeps. I'm just giving an example that we are literally in the middle of nowhere. The market is trying to regain its power. It's trying to collect orders here, catch people, trick few people so that it can go up, create liquidity, trick people with less knowledge so that they can sell or buy it there. And so that we can continue coming up, because that's actually what's going to happen. We might, before actually seeing another impulse move to this level, uh, we are most certainly going to have correction. I don't know for how long, but we are having a correction. So yeah, that's what we are expecting. Signal, don't do nothing. That's the signal. Just wait, have some patience. You wait for the right moment. Yeah, so that's it for this video, man. Give it a thumbs up, man. Subscribe. Yeah, keep you updated with Nasdaq. For the record, don't forget to subscribe. It's very important.